Hey, Elias.
Hey, how are
I'm
you?
well. This is your dad, and we've been trying to set up the computer and the Xbox so that you can. What do you call it? Oh, you're waving. There you go.
Record? Yeah.
What do you call it? You want to do a YouTube spot, right?
Yep.
Well, let's do your first YouTube. I'll teach you how to fish in Sea of Thieves. Okay?
Mhm.
Where do you want to go over to that dock, or where do you want to fish? Off our boat?
This is good, I guess.
Okay. Well, you
This is
want to.
good right here. There's.
Okay. So what you do is you got to get out your you got to get your fishing pole out like that. Then you
Yeah.
got to put bait on it. Do you know how to put bait on it? If your fishing pole's out,
No.
then if you hit left bumper, you'll have an option to hit Y to bait your hook.
Okay.
And then you put one of the bait on. I'm going to put leeches on.
Wait. How? Okay. Fishing rod.
Where are you?
Left bumper.
Left bumper and then
Why?
Y. And then
Which one's better? I have.
I don't think it matters. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. You got grubs. I got leeches. And then you come here,
Yep.
and then you're gonna right trigger. And if the longer you hold it, the farther out you cast. Okay?
Yeah.
Watch. So I'll do that, and I'll cast, and then I'll wait for a fish. Now, if you notice, if you take your left joystick, you can go to the left, you can go to the right, and you can pull up. And when a fish gets on, you pull the opposite way it does. So here, I've got a fish coming. I got a fish coming.
Yeah.
Wait. When he gets on, if he goes one direction, I'll go the other. So he's going to the left, I pull right. And
Yeah.
then when he switches directions, I switch directions. And when he rests, I pull right trigger to reel him in when he gets tired.
Okay.
And if you're not pulling on the right direction, your controller will vibrate. So when he's in the center, you pull back.
Yeah.
Are you watching this?
Yes, I am.
Oh, and then when he's resting, I reel in. And then when he starts back
Yeah.
again, until he gets all worn out, you know.
Mhm.
It takes 2 or 3 times of fighting.
Yeah.
Have you casted yet? Or are you watching?
No, I haven't. I'm watching.
There we go. We're getting this little. Oh, I gotta reel it in now because it's resting. It's a little harder when he's closer because he moves quicker. This is a big one. And then I reel him in. When he gets tired, you reel him in.
Yeah.
There he is. That thing's huge.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have the X.
Wait, give me a sec. I'll pick it up.
Oh, do you got it? We can go. You want to take it in and go fry it up and eat it?
Oh.
Oh, you ate it raw. No, you want to go cook it?
Yeah.
Eat it again. Eat it again. Go ahead and eat it. Did you get sick?
No, not yet.
There you go. Okay. Say something to the camera. Turn to me and say something for your YouTube subscribers.
That was learning how to fish.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. So Elias has got one on the hook. He's getting ready to catch. This is just like when you and I go fishing for steelhead in Oregon, huh?
Yeah. Oh, almost.
There you go. You got it. Okay, bring him here and we'll fry him up. Bring him under the ship.
Okay.
And fry him up. Now, I don't know. I've only fried. I don't know. I don't know how long you're supposed to fry
I
him.
have.
Bring him down here.
Yeah. Okay.
Toss him in there.
Indigo fish.
Oh, I think we.
Or meal.
I think we need. Here, Elias. Elias.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Yeah.
Cheers. Here's your fish. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Oh well. Maybe I shouldn't have drank it that much. Whoa. Whoa, Daddy.
You just sip. You
Oh, look.
Take
Look.
a little sip.
There you go, Elias.
I think that's
Your fish looks done. Don't burn it.
I'm trying.
You're trying to burn it?
You try and take it off. No. Try and take it off.
Oh.
I can't take it off because I'm drunk. Oh, that actually looks better.
Oh, can you eat it?
I bet I can.
Tell me if it...
That was pretty good.
You haven't ate it.
Okay, so let's...
What's wrong with
I
our
did.
ship? Oh, we're
Wait.
glitching out. We're glitching out.
Oh my god.
There's a tornado.
Wait.
We're glitching out.
Oh my goodness. Take a video quick. Video
I
it.
am
Video it.
out. Now I'm in the water. Look at our ships all.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. That was something.